Hi there, students. Flim-Flam. Flim-Flam. Another one of these rhyming compounds. Okay, Flim-Flam is, to me as a Brit, a noun, but the Americans use this as a verb as well. Okay, now I think there's a difference in meaning here. I think to me as a Brit, the first thing that comes to mind for Flim-Flam is a load of nonsense, a load of old rubbish. Stop talking such flim-flam. Yeah? All you hear from him is flim-flam. He just doesn't know what he's talking about. Yeah? So flim-flam, something ridiculous, absolute poppycock, absolute rubbish. But also, this word can be used, and I think this is a much more American use, of a trick, a swindle. Somebody trying to get your money out of you. Somebody trying to sell you something that's worthless. This guy is a flim-flam artist. Okay, and to me this is a much more American phrase. Yeah, there was a flim-flam artist on the corner of the street trying to flim-flam people into buying his rubbish products. Or maybe an email that says, you've won a prize, but first send me $500 to be able to collect the prize for you. These people are trying to flim-flam you. So I think we have a divide between the American meaning and the British meaning, although the American meaning is now coming into British English, I think. To me, flim-flam, a load of nonsense. His excuse was pure flim-flam. Yeah? What he said was flim-flam. Don't believe a word of it. Yeah? He gave spurious reasons based on flim-flam. I don't want to hear any more of that flim-flam from you. Yeah? So, yeah, this is just absolute nonsense. Beware of the flim-flam that he's going to give you, yeah, because it's absolute rubbish. And then to cheat or deceive someone. I wasn't born yesterday, so don't try to flim-flam me. Yeah, I really don't trust all of his flim-flam. It's a con trick. It's a fraud. It's deception. Okay, so flim-flam, two ways: foolishness, drivel, balderdash, blather, poppycock, pig swill, prattle, jabber, yeah, things that are not real, twaddle as well, a load of old Tommy rot. You can use that one as well. And then we have this American meaning: to trick, to deceive, to try to con. Yeah, the politicians are always flim-flamming people to make their actions look good, no matter what they've done. Yeah, so yeah, to flim-flam, to trick somebody with tricky language. Okay, flim-flam. One other thing to notice with this, I think you can use it as one word, flim-flam, or you can use it with a hyphen, flim-flam. I think both are acceptable. I think the one word is probably more common. Formality. This is an informal word. 3.5. Use it in an informal conversation. I think flim-flam as rubbish in English, it sounds a little bit posh. Maybe a little bit posh, my dear. Yes, don't give me all that flim-flam. I think the other meaning, to flim-flam someone, and the American usage is I put completely normal. And then use it in an informal conversation. I wouldn't use it in a semi-formal writing. And then as to origin, it's said that this comes from Scandinavian. Yeah, there's an old Norse word, flim, meaning to mock or to make jokes about or lampoon. Okay, so Flim-Flam, bunkum, rubbish. Yeah. All of the reports of supernatural activity turned out to be Flim-Flam when they were investigated. Yeah, and then don't buy anything from him. He's a Flim-Flam artist and always trying to Flim-Flam you. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Flim-Flam.